Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we have a compression test of a column which is called concrete-encased CFST box stub column under the axial load. You can see here we have a concrete column here, and we use a steel tube here which is filled with concrete, also two layers of the strip. Let me remove the concrete. See the two layer of the steel reinforcement, steel tube. See, this is the internal reinforcement and this is the external. These are the steel tube which is filled with concrete. This is the column, and let me check it in this view. You can see, and if I click on this, you can see the tension damage in this column. And just let me for now check the concrete, and then I will check the other parts. See the concrete and see the internal damage. We can check it in this view. See the internal damage also. Okay, let me check the compression. This is the compression damage here, and then the stiffness degradation or stress or anything else. Now let me replace the concrete bar which is filled, you can see, and let me make it free edge to have a better view. Free edge, these are the concrete bar in the steel pipes. See the compressive damage, tension damage happen here, plastic strain, stiffness degradation or anything else. And now let me replace the steel pipe. The pipe replace, you can see these are the steel pipe. They have interaction with internal concrete and external concrete. See the deformation, and we can check the plastic strain for this or anything else, displacement. And now let me replace all, remove the concrete, remove this, remove this, and these are the steel reinforcements here. The deformation or anything else, also we can request the reaction force. You can see this is in the negative way. This is the maximum 5 meganewton, more than 5 meganewton. After that we have decrease in capacity, but it doesn't reach the zero. It can tolerate more. Okay, and this is the model. So if you need to model the concrete-encased CFST box stub column under axial compression, you can come to our website, find the English tutorial here, open it, or click on title or blue sign. Then you will have the title, part and geometry and assembly here. You can see there, material method, step interaction load, and the result as figures. You can see them here. The cost for this tutorial contains CA, INP, English video file and paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Also, we have a full package, Abaqus full package containing around 430 tutorial. Contains all things, all material, all simulation, modeling, everything here. You can see the titles here of this package with 430 tutorial. This is the biggest package on the net about the simulation and modeling. You can see them here. And if you need this full package with affordable cost that is so suitable for a student, teacher or engineer, contact me through this email. Thank you for your attention.